Curious about how your photos can look better by controlling the light? Let's talk about a cool camera trick called zebra stripes that helps you manage bright spots in your photos. Although the Nikon D7100 doesn't have a built-in zebra stripe feature like some video cameras or mirrorless cameras, I'll guide you through a similar method to manage overexposure using the highlights display during playback. Here's how you can set it up step by step. Step 1. Take your photo. Start by taking a photo with your Nikon D7100 as you normally would. Make sure your camera is turned on and you've framed your shot just right. Step 2. Playback your photo. After taking your photo, press the playback button located on the back of your camera to the left of the LCD screen. This allows you to see the photos you've captured. Step 3. Access the playback display options. While your image is displayed on the screen, press the up or down arrow on the multi-selector, the round dial on the back of your camera, to cycle through different display options. Step 4. Activate the highlights display. Keep pressing until you reach the highlights display mode. In this mode, any overexposed areas in your photo will blink black. This is a visual aid to show you parts of your photo that might be too bright, which can help you decide if you need to adjust your exposure settings to avoid losing detail in those areas. Step 5. Adjust your exposure. If necessary, if you notice any blinking areas and want to reduce the brightness, return to shooting mode. You can then adjust your exposure settings like aperture, shutter speed, or ISO to capture more balanced highlights. Step 6. Retake the photo. After making your adjustments, take another photo and review it again in playback mode using the same steps. Repeat the process until you're satisfied with how the photo's exposure looks. And that's it! Using the highlights display mode on your Nikon D7100 can really help you control the bright areas in your photos, similar to using zebra stripes in video cameras.